In the wake of this massive earthquake and the destruction it already has caused, questions tonight about the safety of buildings closer to home. KRON 4's Dan Kerman has an update on the buildings here in San Francisco.
Few can forget the destruction of soft-story buildings in San Francisco's Marina District during 1989's Loma Prieta earthquake. After that, the city embarked on a retrofit project for multi-unit residential buildings that were built atop weaker lower floors, such as garages. San Francisco city officials say the program proved to be a success.
We have close to 5,000 of those buildings across the city. We have addressed 94% of them. And again, that's impacting, close to 114,000 residents that are in much safer housing as a result.
Now, San Francisco is turning its attention to concrete buildings.
These are buildings that are constructed out of concrete, and they have steel. We have steel that reinforces the concrete. It's just when these were constructed, there was not enough steel in them. So there's some steel, but not enough to prevent the buildings from suffering, or from the concrete from collapsing when there's a lot of shaking.
This one on Post Street has already been retrofitted, as has this one on 17th Street. But there may be somewhere between 3,600 to 3,900 other concrete buildings that may be vulnerable, and the city wants to find out which ones.
In a serious earthquake, even a few of these buildings could endanger a number of lives. So that's why it's so important to do it. And it's also important, I would say, in terms of, displacement of residents, of businesses, and those types of things.
Legislation is now in the works at City Hall to establish a program to determine which concrete buildings in San Francisco are vulnerable and need to be upgraded. In San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.